Welcome to AI Jardo. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI-powered short videos. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who loves to share engaging videos, this guide will show you how to make stunning short videos using AI, quickly and easily. First, decide where you'll be posting your video: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or another platform. Each platform has its own style, so keep that in mind. Also, define your objective. Are you looking to inform, entertain, or promote? Your goal will shape the content. Next, write a concise script. Short videos need to capture attention quickly, so start strong. Keep your script to the point, focusing on one main idea. Use simple, clear language and aim to deliver your message in 15 to 30 seconds. Now, it's time to bring AI into the mix. Use AI-powered video creation tools like InVideo to automatically generate visuals, add effects, and even include AI-driven voiceovers. These tools make it easy to create professional quality videos with minimal effort. Once the AI has generated your video, customize it to match your brand. Add your logo, adjust the colors, and tweak the timing. Remember to keep the video short and snappy. Most platforms favor videos under 60 seconds, so make every second count. Finally, publish your video and promote it across your social media channels. Use relevant hashtags and engaging captions to boost visibility. Track performance metrics to see what works and refine your approach for future videos. Creating AI-powered short videos is a game changer for anyone looking to produce high-quality content quickly. With the right tools and a clear strategy, you can captivate your audience in just a few seconds. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Jardo for more tech insights and tutorials.